Hey everyone out there in the internet land today, Matthew Barbie with Perfect Company, here to show you another great feature of all the Perfect apps. We're going to take a look at it in Perfect Bake today, and that is the shopping list feature. So on your little navigation bar at the bottom, you'll see right next to Pantry, there's your shopping list. Click on that. So there's a little plus sign up here. So like any traditional shopping list, you can just start adding what you need, like say eggs. Okay. Maybe you need milk. Hit OK. And there you go, it adds it to the list. You can check them off as you purchase them, just like any regular old shopping list. Now, but the best part and best way to use your shopping list might be to go into the recipe itself. So I want to make these $250 cookies, so I can hit my shopping list here, and it will take all the ingredients in that recipe and add them to my shopping list. It also knows I've already got eggs in my shopping list, so that's good. And we can either say it's already on my list, or I'm going to go ahead and add it, so this way I'll get an amount to go along with it for the recipe. I'll hit add, hit back, go to my shopping list at the bottom, and it's updated my list. It says I still need milk, but now I have an amount of eggs that I need, how much butter, how much flour, how much oat flour, etc., etc. But let's say you're not going to make the default amount of this recipe. For instance, this recipe, hit bake, says it makes 24 cookies. But let's say you're having a big party because you're really popular and you want to make 60 cookies. Go there, and all this stuff's already on your shopping list, but this way you're going to get the increased amount so you know how much you need to make 60 cookies, not just 24. Hit add, come back to our old shopping list here, and it's updated everything. Now we need, about 3.5 eggs, not 1 egg. Everything's increased so I can make 60 cookies. Now I can, so again, you buy them, you just tick these off right here, the little boxes, and then you can say what you bought. And then that's your list of things you've purchased. Now you can add those straight to the pantry, not even have to worry about a thing. And then you can filter your list by what's left to buy. So you know you need these few different things here. You can also go back to all. Now let's say you want to make a note to an ingredient. Like let's say you need large eggs. So you slide left, note button comes up, little checkbox. Say I need large eggs. Add that to the list. Now I know I need large eggs. So you also notice that when I do this, I can delete or add a note. Same thing if I swipe left to right or right to left. I can say delete that item. And now it's gone from my shopping list entirely. Now you can also add items that are not necessarily in the pantry, non-food items, like let's say napkins. Okay. And let's say maybe you also need paper towels. Okay. And here it is in our non-pantry items. So you can see that even though it's not a food item, you can still enter everything you might need from the grocery store in this one shopping list. Also, if you have an account and you're logged in, this shopping list will sync across all your other devices. So you don't need to worry about the tablet or phone or whatever you made the shopping list on. You can use whatever is with you when you get to the store. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, check us out at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day and a perfect trip to the grocery store.